Hola, bienvenidos. ¿Te gusta mi camiseta? You guys are probably wondering why I'm speaking Spanish right now. And some of you already know that I love traveling. And of course, I've been to Mexico quite a bit. And speaking of Mexico, we're gonna do unboxing today. And inside this box will give me a taste of Oaxaca. I hope I pronounced it correctly, and it spells like this. Anyway, Oaxaca is a town in Mexico, very well known for the skills of its artisan. And inside this box is authentic ethnic tool that they are using for hot chocolate. So I'll just go ahead and shut up and let's move forward. Open this box. All right, let's go. Okay. Guess what? They really pack it very well, right? They carefully wrap this. And by the way, shout out to Verveculture. I'm gonna post their website on the description, so in case you get interested, you know where to order it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's like a box in a box, but not really. Pull this, and there you go, guys. There. What are those? Okay. So let's start with this one. Look at this, it's nice. You know what is this? Yeah, this is a wooden whisk. A wooden whisk, and I think they call this molinillo. All right. You use this for a hot chocolate to add froth on it. The shaft in between your palm to mix it, and you just keep on doing like that. That is just to mix, and it adds froth and make the chocolate creamy. Okay, and close up view of this beautiful wooden whisk. It seems like it's just one piece of a solid hardwood, and then maybe they put it on a plate and they hand carve it. It's very beautiful. Look at that. You cannot really find something that they glue it or something. It's really one piece of wood, and it's really beautifully carved. And yeah, it says their Verve culture, right? And you use this, I think this is their large size. They have the small one that you can put it inside their clay mug, and those mugs are very beautiful as well. They are, again, lead free. It stands up for, see? Yeah, you put it inside, and then you just simply put it in between your palm and move it back and forth. Of course, the hot chocolate tablets are the best hot chocolate that you're gonna taste. And if you're not a hot chocolate lover, give a try, and you're gonna thank me later. Let's take a look at this one. All right, look at that pretty clay jug, right? Very artisanal Mexican clay jug. They handcraft this made with Asian hand molding techniques. Then they add, they finish it with the new technique, and it's lead free. See, it's lead free. They glaze inside. It's glazed inside, and what's that paper in there? Oh, look at that. They give you the instruction of how to taking care of it and what to do before you're on your first use. That's very, very well instructed, as I would say. I was really very impressed how they carefully wrap it in a perfect condition. There's no crack, no chip. And I really don't know if you can see the glaze inside. See, and that's lead free. Now it's so safe. And as far as I know, you can just simply put this on your stove with your milk. You can just simply direct it to the stove, or I would say maybe electric stove or something. But there's also a recipe inside. Look at this tug. That's what is in it. I don't know if you can read it, but it's a little instruction how to make the hot chocolate. And it says here, this red clay jug is traditionally used to make Mexican hot chocolate. So you can use this also as a cooking vessel for soup and hot beverages. And it will look beautiful on your dining table and kitchen countertop. And you only do hand washing on this mild soap. I think, you know, this is really pretty. Well packed, carefully wrapped with all this kind of stuff. Look at that, it's perfectly wrapped, right? And you know, Verveculture really takes their work seriously. They really ensure that their customer get their money worth. You know, so I really recommend this company. And if you are interested, verveculture.com, or go to my description and you will see the website over there. I will post it over there. They have a lot of artisans product over there. They have something from Morocco, Thailand, and just like this one, Mexico. If you're really looking for an authentic item, go to Verveculture. It's the best. And you better go and try this because they are really good. Let's open it. How it look like inside. Oh, yeah. Actually, it smells good. Smells good. There you go. 5 big tablets. Right? That's huge. How big? And size of the penny. That's how big. Okay. And if you want to know when it will expire, on the front, well, I really don't know where's the front and the back. Well, there's a little sticky over there. This it mentioned when it was been manufactured, and of course when it will expire. Just want to share you this unboxing thing that was been sent by Verveculture. Thank you for watching.